Hi folks, Mark here, Views from Mark. As always, I hope you're keeping safe, healthy and are well. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of something from Amiga and, well, without further ado, let's roll the titles and get straight to it. So today I'm wearing the 60th anniversary Amiga Seamaster. Now this was a watch that was famous, of course, because it was celebrating the 60-year anniversary of the release of Dr. No. But as well as this watch, Amiga released some other kind of speciality pieces. There were some accompanying cufflinks and also some sailing bracelets. And what I have today, I actually ordered back in September, October time, 2023. And I actually picked this up back in February when the Amiga boutique in Regent Street actually managed to get hold of one for me. And I've been meaning to do this unboxing for quite a while, as you can tell, but today's the day, so let's get to it. Now, as everything that you get from Amiga, it comes in a beautiful presentation bag with a lovely tied bow, so we will undo that. I'm really excited actually to start wearing what's inside this bag. And yeah, I think it's going to accompany this watch very well, and you'll see why in a moment. So, opening up the bag, here we have inside a small parcel. I shall reach in and take that out. Again, this is a beautifully presented kind of Amiga gift. There is some amazing kind of wrapping on here that's emblazoned with the Amiga logo. They have their own wrapping paper, who would have not thought it? And there's also, of course, this lovely tied bow, which, you know, they did take a lot of time and care wrapping this up for me in the store back in February when I picked this up. But I'm going to undo this and let's get inside and see what we have here. So, beautiful quality ribbon, of course, as you would expect. And as I say, this Amiga wrapping paper looking really stunning. Now I do have my trusty knife, just to undo some of the sellotape here without ripping into some of this wrapping too much. At least that's the goal. And also not to damage the box that's inside. So there we go. And what I'll do, so you guys can see this as I do it. Wow, okay, so literally the Amiga wrapping is in this orientation. As I take this off here, you'll see the inside of this box, and we have the amazing Amiga and 007 logos there. Now, of course, that's going to give you a strong clue, if the title of this video and the thumbnail hasn't already, as to what's actually inside this lovely box. So the presentation, as you can tell, is always great with Amiga. And this is listed at the bottom here, it says accessories. So, of course, this is going to be one of the accessories to accompany the 60th watch. So, we open this up, and inside here we have an Amiga card. This is, I don't know what this is actually, but let's have a look. We'll open this up, again, card with Amiga on it. And this is actually, okay, so this is a certificate of authenticity. Amiga certifies that this piece of jewellery is a genuine product manufactured by highly qualified professionals in accordance with the strictest quality criteria. We guarantee the authenticity of all the precious metals and diamonds used. The colour of our diamonds is top Wesselton, and the purity ranges from 1F or IF to VVS. Now, what I'm going to say is, I won't read the rest of this, but this does not have diamonds. Okay, so it's not anything with diamonds, but it is a certificate of authenticity that you get with all of their accessory pieces, be that something with diamonds, maybe a ring, I don't know. Sunglasses, I know they do. They do some rings, I think I said. They do sailing bracelets, cufflinks, etc. So you get an authenticity certificate, or a certificate of authenticity as well with your purchase. So put that to one side. So inside the box here we have, of course, a little bit of tissue paper, which we'll move to one side, and inside there is a small kind of velvet or kind of microfiber, very soft material jewellery bag, I suppose you'd call it. I'll pop this to one side. And again, this has Amiga. I don't know if this will show up on camera or not, but this has Amiga on it and also accessories. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. Open this up. And what did I get? I know you're wondering, again, if you've not seen the title or the thumbnail. I actually picked up a wonderful Amiga sailing bracelet. And this is actually a sailing bracelet that was released at the same time as the Amiga 60th watch to kind of coincide, as well as some cufflinks that they produced. An Amiga of this sailing bracelet in stainless steel and braided nylon. And this sailing bracelet is a stainless steel with blue and grey nylon branding, and it features a movable decorative ring with engraved 007 logo. So that is this kind of secondary ring here. This kind of slides up and down or along the length of the bracelet, and it has a lovely tiny 007 on there as well. As I say, I don't usually wear jewellery, rings, I don't wear that kind of stuff. I've looked at their sailing bracelets for a while. As I say, I ordered this back in September or October last year, and I've been waiting to kind of do this unboxing and try this on. So we'll pop this on the wrist. They do say, I went for a size medium, I think. You can go size large, medium. I went for a size medium just because I do have quite small wrists, and you wouldn't wear this on the same wrist that you're wearing your watch, of course, because metal and metal, it will end up scratching. But yeah, there we go. So I've got this sailing bracelet and in a size medium, and I think that looks, and it feels really comfortable actually. It's not it's not loose, it's not rattling around my wrist or anything like that. There's movement, but it's not, as I say, rattling around. It's comfortable. This nylon is very, very has a premium finish to it. You can tell it's well made, but it's very nice. And all the details actually, all the polished stainless steel details are really nicely done. So yeah, very pleased with that. And I think to have this on the opposite wrist to the 60th watch, it will complement things really nicely. So just a very quick unboxing today. That's the experience you get when you, even if you're buying not a watch, but say an accessory like this from Amiga, you go into the store, they'll gift wrap it like that, and you have that same sense of theatre when you're opening up your gift, even if it's a gift to yourself. You know, you've got that sense of theatre, the very, very high-end finish of all their kind of packaging as well, and a premium product at the end of it. So very pleased with that. I'm going to enjoy starting to wear this throughout the summer as I go on different trips and adventures, hopefully. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this quick video. If you have, please do consider giving it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, maybe you want to consider doing that too, and pressing the bell notification button so that you get a notice whenever I post something new. But yeah, as always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay well. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all very soon.